going? It's Liset here from Sweet Girl Farms. Today's video is super special. I'm going to be talking all about my sunflower seeds and where I source them from. So with that said, we're gonna do a little unboxing. Okay, so I want to say thank you to my friends over at Sunflower Selection. This is where I source my sunflower seeds, and this company specializes in all things sunflowers. So if you guys are interested in growing your own sunflowers, then go ahead and check out their website. It's sunflowers.com, what I just showed. Oops. And I received a package from them yesterday, or over the weekend actually. Here's the card. This is really nice. And oops, these flowers are not photoshopped. This is how they actually look. It's super unreal. They're so gorgeous. So they allowed me to select a few varieties that I was eyeballing and wanted to experiment, and I'm going to share that with you. And also I have my other package. This is where I keep all my sunflower seeds, and then this is all the varieties that I've ordered from them. So I know I've made a video about this before, or maybe I talked about it in an Instagram live, and I quickly went over the varieties because I was super excited when I started growing the sunflowers that I'll show you in a bit in the summertime. Yeah, and then now they're blooming, so we can go through that in a bit. But I have ordered from them before, and then I rely on them for my sunflower seeds. I discovered them last year, and ever since then, that's where I source all my sunflower seeds. And I like that because there's a section on their website where you can click that says good for bouquets, because you guys know that I'm a flower farmer and I do sell fresh flower bouquets here at the farm stand. So I want my bouquets to be good for I want my sunflowers to be good for bouquets that preferably are pollenless, so that they don't stain any tablecloths or wherever you decide to place the bouquets, so that there's no pollen falling all over the place. And I'm gonna go over all the sunflower seeds that I received. Okay, so we're gonna go through some of the sunflowers that I received. The Pro Cut Red, I'll show you what this sunflower looks like. I'm actually growing it right now, and it's blooming. Some of them are already blooming, and it's a really dark burgundy with a dark center sunflower. It's really unique. I really enjoy it. The Pro Cut Horizon, if you guys came by the farm stand during the early summer, I had these sunflowers incorporated in a lot of the bouquets. It's a very, very fluffy sunflower. So what I mean by that, it's like a double petal, and it looks super full, and it has a really nice gold color to it that I think is gorgeous. Oh, this is a terracotta. Okay, so this sunflower is my one of the ones that I picked out because I want to experiment with this one. It's a branching variety, so that means that one sunflower plant will give you a lot of flowers. There's some that are a single stem, like the Pro Cut varieties usually are one flower per plant, and then this one is a branching one, I believe, and it gives you several flowers per plant. So why don't you guys Google Terracotta Sunflower, and then you guys can check out this variety. It's a really it's like a copper bronzy color as far as what I saw in the picture. So I really want to get to growing this one. Hopefully I can get it for the fall time. I mean, we're already in fall, but for the holidays, I feel that would go really well with the season. The Pro Cut Plum is the next one that I chose because I want to see the color on this one. If it's like a dark purplish tint color, then I feel it's gonna go great in also the fall bouquets. And then the Pro Cut Gold Light. If you guys have been watching my Instagram stories or my Instagram posts, you guys saw me feature a white sunflower. This is the variety name, Pro Cut Gold Light. So there's sunflowers that are white, and the one that I happen to choose has a light center, so it means that like the center here is like light color, like a yellow, a light yellow color. And then there's a white sunflower that it has a dark center. So there's different types of those as well. And then oh sorry, this is a Pro Cut Gold Light. Sorry, this is a sunflower that looks similar to this one, and I got it confused with the Pro Cut White Light. This is the one that I've been featuring as my white sunflower. And yeah, those are the sunflower varieties that I got, plus the rest that I showed you. Okay, so those were all the sunflower packets that I received. I'm gonna be experimenting with the Terracotta and the Pro Cut Plum. I'm super excited. Hopefully I can get that batch going today, and then you'll be able to see it here at the farm stand and featured in my flower bouquets. I'm super excited. I'm gonna walk you guys through my sunflower patch so that you can see some of the colors that I was referring to in the seed packets. So the two that I'm gonna highlight are the Pro Cut Red and then the Pro Cut White Light. Those are the ones that I have growing right now, so let's go check those out. Alrighty guys, so we are at the sunflower patch, and I'm gonna show you guys the beautiful sunflowers. So this is the Pro Cut White Light. Like I said, it has a light center and it has the white petals, and they grow super big. That's what I like about them too. So it fills up the bouquets really nicely. Look at that. Yeah, they look so pretty, and they're in season right now. It's warm weather here in the Central Valley, so the sunflowers do really well. And then the Pro Cut Red are these with the dark stalk, and then that's how I can distinguish them. So we're gonna walk in here and look at that. You see that beautiful like maroon burgundy color? It's so unique. And then that one grew super big too. And then I have more growing in the back that are still not blooming. So you see they're still closed. And then there's this one reaching for the sun. Yeah, they're super pretty. Yeah, it looks like a little jungle here with all the sunflowers growing. And then I have more next to the farm stand, so we can check it. So the Pro Cut Red is hanging out here. I have some Gladiolus too. Ooh, this is gonna be a nice combo. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so unreal. I love the ring of dark red around here, and then it gets lighter there. And then look at the Gladiolus. This is a nice dark red, and then this vibrant red. Literally, I feel the camera is making it like look like it has a filter on, but it doesn't. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so that's how my sunflowers are doing right now. They're doing really well. It's only a short season, so I do need to stack my my sunflowers so that I can have them for a long period of time. But I didn't prep the beds on the other side in time for me to plant more sunflowers there. So I've now cleared it, and I feel that I can start growing more seeds right now because it's gonna be hot here in Central Valley. I'm in Reedley, California, so this week it's gonna be in the high 90s, almost 100 I think, if not 100, and the next week the same thing. So I feel that's a good it's good weather for me to plant more sunflowers and hopefully have some for those fall holidays. And what else? It just goes with the season, and I'm super excited. I'll have like a variety. That's probably what I'll end up doing. And they're pretty reliable. Even after the summertime, I remember last year I did a lot of sunflowers in the cold months, so I know it works out. Anywho, I'll probably make a video on that too. And if you guys have any questions, then let me know. I'm here at the farm stand every day. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Alrighty, thank you and take care.